Hello guys, and this we are looking at GBP/USD. Like that's what I like to look at first, right? We're looking at GBP/USD, and you can see just like I've explained in the past videos, GBP/USD has touched a significant level, guys. GBP/USD has touched this level, and we can see how it is bouncing off this level, and hopefully, I expect that GBP so at least will touch this level, and before to touch this level and possibly break it, at least get us to this point, right? Possibly get us to this point. So this is actually my target on GBP/USD. This point here, it's from here to here. This is actually my target on GBP/USD, and that should be around how many pips? Let me see how many pips is that. So from this point, sorry, at least this around over 700 pips, 760 pips to bank, guys. So I am bullish on GBP/USD because you've seen simple price action playing out here, just price respecting key levels, significant levels, and that's just it, guys. This is my target on GBP/USD. So 700 pips to be banked on GBP/USD. So if you go lower, you will see how the setup, where the market sets up nicely. So you can see this is an inverse head and shoulders pattern, right? So for I think around module 4, section 4 of the Forex mastery course is where I tweeted reversal patterns, and you can see that happening here. Right, guys, you can see that already taking effect here already. So on GBP/USD, you can see that I am strongly bullish, guys. So you don't have a copy of the Forex mastery course, trust me, guys, I don't know what you are doing in this market if you don't have a copy of that course. I don't actually know what you are doing in this market. I don't understand what you are trading, because that's where I get to really show you exactly what to look out for in the market. So this same thing with we have a almost similar situation on Euro/USD, guys. Euro/USD is looking really pretty rough. Not even between this pair exactly. I've actually been on GBP/USD. That guy has been awesome. GBP/USD has been awesome, though it has been crazy too. I must confess, GBP/USD has been crazy, but then it has been the best. It has been the clearer, it has given more clearer view or perspective about the market, right? And also this is Euro/USD. You can see we've bounced from this line and we have touched a significant level, this point here that GBP/USD is approaching. But now we've touched, and you can see the consolidation about here. Because I'm personally bullish on Euro/USD, right? I'm certainly bullish on Euro/USD because I think price is still gonna break this and take us to this point. Still very much bullish on Euro/USD. Although the settings are not looking so clear, but then we still have a higher low. So this is a lower low before then we can went ahead to form a higher high and a higher low, which is a bullish setting, right? Which is a bullish structure. So from the 4-hour time frame, you see what I'm saying clearly. So you can see it from the 4-hour time frame. Although clearly we have a break. I think I forgot to say this. Talk about this on GBP/USD. So though we are forming higher highs and higher lows until there was a break of this structure, and I was actually expecting that this guy will bleed down. The same thing with GBP/USD, but then because this because of our flow is actually bullish, right? The price is finding it difficult to expect to really bleed down, despite the fact that we have broken out of this part of the bullish trend, right? You can see, but then this like a triple bottom situation that we have here. This triple bottom situation we have here, you can see this 1, 2, 3, right? Hopefully this bottom will give it enough momentum to break and shoot up. So you can see why I'm bullish on this guy. So this guy is certainly still bullish, certainly still looking bullish because of the reversal patterns we have here, right? So you can see how quite easy it is to analyze markets, right? You can see how quite easy it is to analyze the Forex market. So Forex is not really hard, right? It's not really hard. It's just you having contact with the right mentor and right education, right education, right mentor, and you'll be just good and just fine with the market, guys. We just good and just fine in the market. So the next guy we'll be looking at is AUD USD. AUD USD. What is that guy saying? These guys have been crazily bullish since time immemorial. These guys have been bullish. Just see, right? AUD USD has been bullish. So I told you guys once, like I told you guys from one of my videos, that once price breaks uh above this significant level, we are bullish, at least up to this point, up to this zone here, guys. As it's up to this zone, we're gonna be bullish. So you can see how AUD has been going thus far. It has been rough, but it has maintained that bullish momentum. As you can see, it has been rough, it has been crazy, but despite the odds and the wins and all that, it has still maintained that bullish momentum. It has maintained that momentum. Not been it has been a rough ride, but still, you can say still bullish. USD still bullish, right? Respecting. So you can see how very really easy trading the market. Really easy trading the market. So the next guy we're looking at is New Zealand USD, right? New Zealand, let's look at New Zealand US. Just similar, just we're having almost similar structure with this guy. So from the weekly time frame, you see, I told you guys about this level, right? I think some time ago, and I'm not exact on this USD guys. I must confess, I'm not exactly sure clear on what the market wants to do, because it's looking more like we're having a break. Because I'm not sure what the market is saying, break and retest, right? This is what it's looking like from the weekly time frame. So we go from the daily time frame to see we have seen some consolidation, but then the consolidation is still looking. We are still hoping it's still looking like we are having an inverse head and shoulders that will still push price upward, right? That can still push price up. But let me go back to the weekly time frame to see something. Although all you've been having here have been spinning tops, looking like indecisions or consolidation in the market from the weekly time frame. So on the daily time frame, we can see those price consolidating, clearly consolidating. But I'm still much optimistic on this guy. That's fine. We could still be bullish because you can see this. We're having we have a double bottom situation, and hopefully, if we're able to break, if all I need to use the USD to do for me is break retest, then we can be good to go. I want to buy around here on using that USD, but then till then, using USD is just it's just there at the moment. It's just there at the moment. Still bullish, at least it's bullish for the now. But what will happen here is what is we are not certain, because this level seems to be a very strong level. It's so very strong resistance level that price has not been able to break for some time. So some time now. For every time we've touched this level, there's been a bounce at least since April. We've touched this level. We've been bouncing since April, and here in June we are still approaching it. So, and you know, in the market, history will always repeat itself. History will always repeat itself. So for the JPYPS, right? JPYPS have been bullish, guys. These guys have been bullish, so bullish, so bullish, strongly bullish, guys, strongly bullish. So from the daytime frame, you can see also still looking bullish, but then I have been waiting to see what will happen from here personally. Right? It will be a bounce, a reversal, because we might be going to form a double bottom, sorry, it's a double top from that point. Right? You can see that level. You can see also already a rejection of you can see the BS already coming in. Let me clear this. This one's smart. Let me make this market look smart. Let me see this. Okay. Looking into something. Let me see. Okay. Not exactly bad in itself. Exactly bad in itself. Just give me a second, guys. Let me just set this analysis clear. I've not been I'm not trading this pair actually, so that is why I'm just looking at it right now. Because JPY pairs sometimes can be crazy. When you least expect, it's when they just want, it's when they will just bleed down. So I don't want to take any chances on it. So I'm still anticipating the bleed. This guy to bleed down. So at this point I'm okay. So this is where it is, and then it's been bullish. It has just been bullish, bullish, bullish. But then if it respects this level and wants to play that, then I want to take this trade at least. I'll be having significant amount of pips to bank. Yes, you can see that is 700 way 700 pips to bank this guy. So generally all the JPYPS are bullish at the moment, but then a reversal is very much eminent on this PS. A reversal is very much eminent on this PS. So patiently waiting for that. So on this is gold. So there guys have been shouting about gold. It's a success. What is gold doing? You said gold was going to bleed down and all that. No, seriously, guys, market has just been crazy. Market has just been crazy, 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 crazy lately. That's just been crazy lately. That has just been crazy. I say crazy, crazy lately. Right? Just been crazy lately. So I'm not on gold. I'm not exactly on gold at the moment. Gold. Not trading gold. Not trading gold. Not trading gold yet because it's still looking very, very crazy. I would advise you to avoid gold. If you really love your account, avoid gold this period. Love your account, avoid gold this period. You love your account. Advice to you is to leave gold alone. This guy is not ready to bam bam. It's not ready for us to chill at the big boss. You can just see you can see what gold is doing, it's just consolidating. You can see many consolidation. So there's no point taking up gold. So for those of you trading gold and shouting, I don't know what you guys are shouting. Right? For this guy, it's not clear. It's not like it's not clear, guys. It's not clear. It's not what they take at the moment, right? It's not what they take at the moment. So it's been a while we look at index, right? Let's look at index a little bit. I've not actually been looking at index too. So let's look at index US 30. What is US 30 saying? Let's look at US 30 and German and last 100. And that will be it. Let me console this because I know because if you don't look at them, so you can see that they were kind of faded. But let's go from the weekly time frame first. From the weekly time frame, there's already as we've had a break of this zone, more like a retest. So this guy might bleed as if it has not bleeded already. So it's not exactly clear what this guy has in mind. Right? It's not exactly clear what this guy has in mind. It's not exactly clear what US just you can see the consolidation. It's not exactly clear what this guy wants to do, whether it wants to come down or go up. So the market generally is not it's not just exactly ready, right? It's not exactly doesn't exactly seem ready. Right? It doesn't exactly seem ready. As you can see, now 100 is just looking just looking like gold. So US 100, I mean US 30. US 30, yes, US 30. You can see the consolidation. So this guy is not what it's not what shit, guys. It's not what your time. Just leave it alone. Go relax, go chill. Go chill. Let this guy if he wants to bleed, let it bleed this guy. Right? At least if it wants to bleed, we'll take it up to this point. Right? To take it up to this point. But if it wants to buy, break, at least break. For me, I'll be convinced when it breaks this significant zone. It breaks it and retest. And I want to take good US 100. Don't mind me, guys. I want to take US 100 for till then. Not exactly interested on US 100. US 30. God, success. US 30. Because I'm shooting this video late and I'm looking really tired. This is Gardner's 100. This is Gardner's 100. It's okay. Can go this guy and nice. So from the Now it's 100, now it's 100. Get used to it a little bit. Now it's 100, it's 100, it's 100. So now it's 100. You can see, looking like there's a break and a retest too, and S wants to play that. But then we have seen the bulls on the significant level. Let's go to the daily time frame. So that's the bulls are looking like they are on a significant level, and what the price wants to buy, right? Like, but then that's the consolidation around this consolidation. That's similar to what we have on US 30. So I'm not exactly okay with this situation. Yeah, that market right now is not now something is not exactly clear. Right? It's not exactly clear on what it wants to do. So my advice to you is to avoid this guy at the moment. Avoid this guy at the moment. But then the lower you go, the consolidations might try to want to make sense. Might try to want to make sense, but then that's why it's trying to make sense. It is still not making sense. It's still a consolidation. But it's still a consolidation after all. So for me, but just like I would say, you guys, let this uncle break above here, break and retest above here, then I will take it seriously. But let this uncle here break below here, and I will take it seriously, right? Then I want to, if it wants to bleed, at least I'll have this to for the taking. I will have those this space for the taking. But if not, we moon, guys, we moon. So that is all about that. So let's look at BTC. That's all about index, right? That's all about index. Let's look at BTC. What is BTC? Say this guy has been bullying. The BTC has been bullying people's accounts of late. Right? BTC has been bullying people's account of late. So you can see, you can mark BTC some time ago. Mark BTC. I don't know if I did this last week. So BTC has just been consolidating, guys. BTC is just this Baba here is not ready. So doesn't want to bam bam. Doesn't want us to chill like the big boys. Right? BTC doesn't want us to bam bam. So I want BTC personally, I want BTC to break below this green zone below, sell, break above this guy, and then I know that you want to moon. But till then, because BTC has just been it just went up and down, just playing dangling with people's portfolios and people's accounts and people's money. So for now, guys, I think this is what I have for you guys this week. Not so much I know, but then it is still much in itself, right? So work with these things I've showed you about the market, work with these things, and you will be saved. Right? The market is too harsh. Trust me, I know you need the guide, you need an expert to show you what the market is doing. So I've shown you now. So for the love and respect of your portfolio, trade accordingly. Right? Trade accordingly. Don't try to force yourself or try to gamble in the markets. Trade accordingly. Let me just look at one last guy, USD card. That's been this USD card has been pretty interesting, right? USD card has been pretty interesting guy of late. That's been selling for some weeks. You can see for straight how many weeks? 1, 2, 3, 4 for a whole month. USD card has just been selling. About 5 months, so over a month actually. You can see the card. USD card has just been selling. That's just been selling. I actually missed it from. I missed this entry. Forex master students who understand what I'm saying. I missed a sweet entry around there, so that was why I allowed it to bleed. I missed the entry around here. So you don't know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying. Students know what I'm saying. So that was why I didn't take the trade. Because I would have taken this trade and just rest. But it is what it is, right? Even no matter how good you are, you won't your eyes, you won't always see the best opportunities. That's the truth, right? Just take the ones you take what you can and let the market be, guys, right? Take what they can, let the market bless you the way it wants to bless you, and you'll be fine, guys. At the end of the day, last, you'll be fine, right? So, guys, this is what I have for you for this week. So, do not go anywhere because I have some very important information for you in the next screen on my next screen. So stick around. But then, if you're a new subscriber, ensure if you're a new viewer, sorry, to my channel, ensure to subscribe to this channel. So let's grow this channel together, guys, because we need more traders to see the amazing work I am doing. I know I'm doing so well. I'm really helping your trade. And if you love this channel, if you love me, if you love what I'm doing, please share this video, share the link to this video, just so other traders like you will get to participate in the goodies I'm sharing with you guys then. But then, see you guys in the next screen. Bye guys, bye bye, catch ya. Hello guys, welcome back to my screen, and trust you got so much value from my chat, and you've seen my perspective, you've seen my analysis on some of your favorite pairs, you've seen what I've said about gold, about some of your favorite pairs, and also about BTC. And trust me guys, 9 out of 10 times my predictions about the market has always been right, because you can see my how pure my analysis looks. And if you've checked my previous videos, you've seen how consistent my predictions and my analysis and my trade calls have been over time, right? Over time in the market. And this is just how to very accurately trade the forex markets or the crypto markets. How accurately trade the market. And I know there are some terms I'm using in my chart that you are not so familiar with, or you're just like thinking, is this guy a magician? How does he do this thing? How does he know that this is the point market the price will go to and reverse, or this is the level, or this is what the man. I know you have all this is ringing loud in your mind, and you really find these things really amazing and interesting, right? So to do this, my call for you to you right now is to join the Forex Mastery community, right? To join the Forex Mastery program, and the link is down below. This is where I get to show you how exactly I do this thing. It is not magic. It's simply experience, and this experience is what I'll be sharing with you, right? I've had several years, right? So I've spent quite a number of time in the market, and I can tell you for sure that what you did, my chart that you've seen, the analysis you've seen right now, market is going to be playing that scene for you guys. Market is just going to be playing that scene for you. And guys, is anything I'm forgetting? Yes, guys, right, yes. The crypto mastery course is still ongoing, right? You can still sign up to access the crypto mastery course, but that it's still a work in progress, and I would soon be launching the course, just like the Forex Mastery course is really hot. The Crypto Mastery course is going to be crazily hot, because I think I'll be building another channel for it, where I'll get to share a lot of amazing opportunities for you across across the blockchain industry, across the different happenings and innovations across the crypto space, and all that amazing opportunities with you guys on that channel. So guys, anticipate. But then I'm not pretty sure yet about that the new channel, because it's really tough creating this video, editing it, and doing all that before publishing it for you guys to see. But then I'll still find a way around my very busy schedule, right? Very busy schedule, because I'm into a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff that I'm really doing at the time. So I just sacrifice Tuesdays, like, for you guys. Tuesday is just where I just put that my Tuesday just for you guys to come and share my chat and these values with you. So guys, if you're a new viewer to my channel, ensure to show me some love, just like I've showed you love. Show me some love by liking, sharing, and also subscribing to this channel, because this is necessary for the algorithm of this video, to help other struggling traders or newbie traders who are looking to find their footing on being profitable as traders. This is the channel to be, so that they can be able to access this video, just like you have accessed this video and you're already wowed and you are so intrigued, you're so fired up to take the market. The same thing. So let's help other traders out there. That is why I come out here to do this, right? So help every other traders out there, because I know the opportunities in this market is boundless. So me alone can't keep enjoying the market. So I want you guys to share and participate in the market. So guys, ensure if you've not gotten the Forex Mastery course, ensure you get that course, right? The link is down below, right? From the comment section, where from the description section, right? Hit me up on WhatsApp or send me an email, and I'll be glad to have you on board, where you get to meet other amazing traders just like you guys, right? So guys, I'll be seeing you guys same time next week, guys. I'll be seeing you guys next week, where you get to see how the market has played out our analysis. So till then,